Ah yes, those Serbians.
Oh, hello there. Welcome to Marvellous Mosaics of Antiquity, a journey back through thousands of years of art, craftsmanship, and history. In this series, we'll explore some of the most incredible mosaics ever created. They tell stories of empires, battles, daily life, and the people who created them, piece by piece. For this week's installment, we'll be taking a look at none other than
The Church of St. George in Topola, Serbia. One of the most impressive mosaic-covered buildings in the whole world. Imagine, a building covered almost entirely in mosaics. Millions of tiny pieces of glass, forming massive, glowing images across every wall and every ceiling. Located in the town of Topola, Serbia, this church sits on a hill known as Oplenac. The Church of St. George is not just a church, it's also a royal mausoleum. If you're new here, welcome to Piece by Piece Mosaic. On this channel I explore mosaic art from ancient techniques to modern masterpieces. The church was commissioned by King Peter I of Serbia in the early 1900s. His vision was to create a spiritual and national monument, as well as a burial place for the Serbian royal family. Construction began in 1910, but due to wars and delays, it wasn't fully completed until later. What makes this church truly extraordinary is what's inside. The interior of the church is covered in mosaics, and not just small sections. Almost every surface is filled. It's estimated that over 40 million tiny glass tiles were used. These tiles recreate famous medieval Serbian frescoes, but instead of paint, they're made entirely from mosaic tile. Creating this mosaic was an enormous undertaking. Artists took existing fresco designs and carefully translated them into mosaic form. Each image had to be mapped out, broken into sections, and recreated using tiny glass tesserae. This work required incredible precision, and every color, shadow, and detail had to be built piece by piece. The mosaics are heavily influenced by Byzantine art. You'll notice rich colors, gold backgrounds, religious figures, and symbolic compositions. The style creates a glowing, almost otherworldly atmosphere. The church wasn't just built for decoration. It serves multiple purposes: a place of worship, a national symbol, and a royal burial site. The mosaics themselves tell religious stories and reflect Serbian cultural identity. The Church of St. George stands as one of the largest and most detailed mosaic projects in modern history. It shows that even in the 20th century, mosaic art was still being pushed to incredible limits. This church is proof that mosaic art isn't just ancient history, it's a living art form that continues to evolve. Now I'm curious, would you prefer to create something small and detailed or something massive like this? Let me know in the comments.
And if you want to learn how to create mosaics yourself, or learn about other marvelous mosaics of antiquity, then you'll love this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.